Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set live wallpapers on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to see set live wallpapers that show live animation while lock screen. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply show the lock screen. Here you have to simply press and hold the lock screen, and here you have to simply click on customize, and after that you have to simply click on customize wallpaper, and here you have to simply click on that, and you can simply select the wallpapers, and you can select switch between the styles and all other things. But if you want to go in detail and change the settings, then you have to simply open your iPhone, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here, and you have to simply go to simply wallpapers here. So here you can simply add many wallpapers including your old one. But if you want to set a new and a live wallpaper, so how you can do that? For this you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply look for the wallpaper. You have to simply select that wallpaper, and after that here you can simply see that there is option available for live photo. So if you want to set a wallpaper as live, so you have to make sure that you have the live photo which you can set as your live wallpaper. So you have to make sure that you have that photo. If you do not have any kind of photo, then there are many others option available that you can simply download the live photos from the Safari or any kind of browser. And the next thing you can do is you can simply search for the App Store. So here you can simply search for live wallpapers app, and you can simply download that wallpaper from that app. So here you can simply search for that live wallpaper, and you have to simply click on that, and you will find many of the live wallpapers. So if you want to set the live wallpaper, before you have to make sure that you check the app, and after that you can simply set the wallpaper. Otherwise there is no option available that you can simply add the live wallpaper on your iPhone without any kind of animation. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.